Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to add a home page in Wix Studio. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So if you're building a website in Wix Studio, one thing you might want to do is change which page visitors see first when they open your site. Thankfully, Wix Studio makes this really simple, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is located. To get started, open your Wix Studio website editor. Once the editor loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Pages section. This is where all the main pages of your website are organized. You'll usually see pages like Home, About, Contact, Services, and any other pages you created for your site. Now, one thing that's important to know is that not every page can become a home page. Wix Studio normally allows you to choose from your main pages only, so if you have pages inside special categories like bookings or dynamic content sections, those may not appear as home page options. Next, find the page you want visitors to land on first. Maybe you created a brand new landing page. Maybe you redesigned another page and want that to become the main entry point for your website. Once you decide which page you want to use, click on the three dots next to that page name. A small menu will appear with different options for managing the page. From that menu, simply click Set as Home Page. After a second, Wix Studio will automatically update your site and make that the new home page of the website. You'll usually notice a small home icon appear next to the selected page, showing that it's now the main home page of the website. And the nice thing is, if you ever change your mind later, you can always repeat the same process and switch the home page again anytime you want. Overall, it's a really quick feature, but it's also very important because your home page is usually the first impression visitors get when they open your website, so choosing the right page can make your site feel more professional and easier to navigate. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps a lot.